Good morning. Welcome once again in our Standard 7 Mathematics subject, lesson number 14, Symmetry. Have you seen here 4 pictures are given? One is triangle, one is rectangle, one is a trapezium type, and one is a pentagon. And you can find some lines are also drawn, dotted lines. Yes, my dear student, that is a symmetry. Let's check what things we have to study in our this lesson. See, the exact type of symmetries are 2. Here you can find a 2 nice picture of one a cockroach, or you can say a plane, and a one spider. So one is a living being and one is a non-living being. This is the, we can say, vertically line, straight line, and one it's a horizontal line. Is it or not? Or you can just turn the picture, you will find the vertical will become a horizontal. Once again, the line is drawn here, yellow color, which is given us a type of symmetry, horizontal and vertical. It's called the line symmetry. When one half of an image is the mirror image of the other half. You just draw half one and you can see the back side, next side, same to same size, same to same picture you can get it. So mirror image. Have you seen the mirror? Yes, it is showing us our face, our body, or whatever things we are keeping in front of mirror, it is reflected. Yes, mobile camera, video shooting, whatever you can see, eyes, it is reflected. Or just you can draw half of the picture in a page, and then after you can fold it. Suppose you can draw half picture here, and then after you can press it and just stretch it like this way, and when you open it, yes my dear student, you will find another image of the half picture will be drawn on another side. Yes, you may be done like that way. No, that is a carbon copy. Carbon copy and mirror image are little different. Clear? Very good, very good. Now look at here next one. What is a line of symmetry? A line on which a figure can be folded so that both sides match exactly. So, it is identify and describe symmetry in geometric figure or pictures. See, you can find here, to be a line of symmetry, the shape must have 2 holes that match exactly. Sometimes you are crafting some design. Yes, you already did in lower standard. When you are folding a paper, and then after cut only some design, and when you reopen, you have a number of same design. When you trace a heart onto a piece of folded paper means just I said thus, fold it in 2 part, 4 part, 3 part, whatever you want, and then cut it out. The 2 hearts make a wall heart. Isn't it? The 2 holes are symmetrical. Whatever the left part, it is a left part, and this is the right part. Both are the equal distance. See, this is this one, and same way this is also this one. So when you can open it, it will give us same part what you cut it. Clear? Very good student, very good. See now, next topic. Which of these flags have a line of symmetry? Will you tell me? First, United States of America's flag. Second one is Canada's flag. Third one is a Maryland, and fourth one is a England. First 2 has no, and third one has a Canada. vertically. If you fold it, you can get the same image. Whatever left side is exactly right side. Suppose my body vertically divided. Whatever left side, whatever right side. Same thing is there. What is the distance between the left eyes? Same way distance of the right eyes. What the distance between the ears? Same way the distance between the ears. Magic. God creation. Next one is England. Vertical as well as horizontal. Both line of symmetry. Yes, my dear student. Very good, very good, very good. So sometimes not only single line of symmetry, both line of symmetry will be present. Very good. Next one. What about this math symbol? They have symmetry? Plus symbol, yes, both symmetry. Minus, both. Then after, multiply, both. And division, oh, very nice, very nice. Both symmetry. Good, 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 good. That's math activity you can do. Take the piece of paper. I am using the simple word scrap paper. नोटबुक में से फाड़ के नहीं, जो काम का नहीं है वो पेपर आप ले सकते हैं, उससे ये डिजाइन बनाने. You can take piece of paper, fold it in the both side like this, a two fold. See, I am showing you. This is one fold, and then after one vertical and one horizontal. And afterwards, you just cut this much part like this way. Or you can cut like this way, half part. Or it is here, direct distance is this much only. When you open it, it will become a full design, full math symbols. Yes, very good student. How many lines of symmetry to this regular polygon have? First of all, understand, regular polygon. Do you know what is a regular polygon? Yes, anyone is knowing? Polygon have shapes. Very good. Second, a triangle, square are the polygons. Is it? Very good answer. Or yes. Once again, I remind you, polygons are made of line segments. It is a closed picture. And regarding regular polygon, all the side of polygon should be equal, as well as their angles are also equal. This is the regular polygon definition. Be careful. Here, equilateral triangle, square, rectangle is not a regular polygon because all sides are not equal. Square have all sides equal, as well as all angles are also equal. Pentagon, hexagon and octagon. 8 side means octagon. See, how many are there? Triangle have 3 line of symmetry, horizontal, vertical and 1 cross. Very good. And here diagonal also there, 4. Pentagon have 5. Hexagon has 6. Fold it. Dotted line is showing you, you can fold it exactly, it will match. Exactly it will match. Want to see? Yes, I want to show you. Suppose this is my square. Can you see my square? Yes. When I fold it between one fold, exactly it is matched. Yes. When I fold with the vertically, exactly it will match. Now diagonally, diagonally means cross. See students, cross. Exactly it will match. If it is a square only, then also see. Isn't it? Same way here also you can find out. Yes, my dear student. So horizontally, vertically and diagonally means cross. You can see my face here. It's a square. In the square, all sides are there, vertically, horizontally, and cross. Yes. Pentagon, it's also a 5-sided figure. You can check it like this way. 5 times it is showing the line of symmetry. Good. Now, look at the alphabet. First we see the symbol of mass. Now alphabet. You remember alphabet? Yes. But there is also magic. How many line of symmetry are there? It is shown as the dotted lines. Yes. Vertical or horizontal? Yes. A is a vertical, B, C, D, E. Sorry, A is vertical, B, C, D, E. Horizontal. Can you see properly or not? See, A is little bit far away. Student, actually line will come here. Exactly बीच में आएगा बेटा. Yes, बीच में से आएगा. Exactly. So black line is little bit far away. Good. You got the idea. B folded. C, D, E. F has not line of symmetry. G also not. H has both. I have only horizontal. M has vertical. O has infinite number. Circle. O. P no, Q no, R no, S no. T has a vertical. U has also vertical. V has vertical. W has vertical. X has both. But capital X. These are already related with capital letters. Y vertical. Z has no line of symmetry. Be careful. I will show you one things also for how to remember vertical and horizontal. Ande ka funda. Maths. Rotational or turn around symmetry. The action of turning a figure around a point or a vertex. Whenever you are turning the figure like this way, yes, turning. It's called the rotation. One time 90 degrees, second time 90 degrees, third time 90 degrees, and fourth time 90 degrees. When we turn 360 degree, 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, 360 time, exactly the same picture will come back. कोई भी picture ले लो बेटा, कोई भी चीज ले लो. Suppose you are taking a pen. So pen is like this way, 90 degree. Suppose this way. 90 degree means one time this turn, second time turn, third time turn, and fourth time turn. Exactly it will come. So point is downside. Can you remember this one? Or you can keep the point up and turn it this ulta. One time, two time, three time, and fourth time. 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 90. 4 times 360 degree. Exactly point will come on top side. Yes, my dear student, look at here. The one triangle is there. It's a vertex. Vertex को घुमाते रहेंगे 360 degree पे आएगा. Then it is will come back on the original shape. Click the triangle to see rotation from one point, any point. In middle also you can take, or any vertex. Vertex means any corner point. Turning a figure around a point or a vertex, it is a rotation. Translations or slide. The action of sliding a figure in any direction. कहाँ से भी ले लो बेटा. Click the octagon to see transitions. It is also 360 degree like this way. Transitions also new word. Reflection. Flip. The result of a figure flipped over a line. एक के बाद ये दूसरा आएगा ऐसा वाला. Look at here. See. First is a reflection. You just see the half one and keep the mirror. It will showing the reflections on the other side. If you are opening 3 pages on the left side of the, suppose this is my textbook. I am opening 3 pages like this way according to the picture, and I am keeping the mirror here. I will see the mirror. I will see the wall book is open like this way, full. Half part is there. Second also I will get it double. The result of a figure flipped over a line. Which shapes show reflection, translations, or rotations? Reflection means exactly the same things you can get it. See, triangle, green color. Whatever, upper side showing the downside. It's a horizontal line of symmetry. Translations. So whatever this, turning the up or down. Rotations means just I rotate the diamond, red color. This much rotating. Yes, exactly not. Reflection and rotation, different things. So here we can end up our very good, interesting things of symmetry. We will check the textbook also. Let's recheck the textbooks. Thank you.